that day had in store. I would have worn something slightly different than this AC/DC thing sitting in my pants. It was waiting to say hello to the world, but I really didn't want it to end this way. But I guess I didn't have a choice today, because I just ripped my pants in my bowling class. I just showed my ass. I ripped my pants in my bowling class. I guess I didn't want to show them those kind of balls. Too bad that I couldn't show them at all, 'cause I just ripped my pants in my bowling class. Just showed my ass, because now I'm acting so strangely. Gotta act like nothing's going on, going for that 7-10 split. Too bad that it just happened to me. Guess my things have something in common with the bowling alley that I'm playing on. But that's okay, because me and the alley are one. But just for now, you know, because I just ripped my pants in my bowling class. I showed my ass once again. Just ripped my pants in my bowling class. Guess I didn't have to show them everything that they didn't want to see from me. But I just ripped my pants in my bowling class. So now I'm acting like I'm the top of the world. I'm the king, 'cause I need to get home and change my pants without all these people looking at me. Then I run into a lady outside the door. She's looking at me. I said, "What you looking at me for?" And then I realize, oh yeah, it looks like something's down there, because I just ripped my pants in my bowling class. I showed my ass to the world. Just ripped my pants in my bowling class. Can't believe that such a thing could happen to me. It's so embarrassing, can't you see? You're glad that didn't happen to you, but it just happened to me. I just ripped my pants in my bowling class. Ripped them so hard it made a sound you couldn't imagine. It sounded like a bunch of cats getting